In global trade, the role of ship-owning companies is crucial. Even experienced crews face unexpected challenges. Reliable suppliers are essential, but finding the right one is not always easy. Meanwhile, vendors face their own challenges. They have the expertise, the products, the services, but not in the right place for customers to find them easily. That changes now. Introducing Records Marine, the open platform connecting ship owners, managers, and trusted suppliers worldwide. Be visible to your customers. Create your free profile in minutes choosing your business type. The vendors on our platform are trustworthy as they are verified by our specialists. For customers, it's just as easy. With free access, search suppliers by category, port, or region. A few clicks, and you'll find exactly what you need without third parties involved. If it's a service provider, you can choose service area, availability of writing teams, and class approvals. Fast setup, verified partners, open access. Records Marine brings trust and safety to your procurement process. Set a higher standard of expertise. Join Records Marine today.